Welcome to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started.
Before you get started, I have a question. Isn't this the regrouping that you were talking about in the previous video?
Yeah, this is exactly what it is. Okay, now let's start. 8 minus 9, can you do that?
Yeah, Oh, yeah, no.
8 minus 9 would be a negative number, so we can't do that, so we regroup, right?
Yeah, 18.
Yeah, we get 18. 18 minus 9 is?
4.
No, 18
I
minus...
mean that.
Oh, yeah, okay. We turn this into a 4, and then 18 minus 9 is?
8.
I think it's 9. Remember the double numbers?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, 4 minus 3 is?
1.
Good job. 5 minus 6, we can't do that, so we regroup. 15 minus 6 is?
9.
Good job. 9, we turn this into an 8, and we get 1, right? Wow,
Oh,
what a
what a
coincidence.
coincidence.
Wow, 19 and 19. Okay, let's go. Next one. So this turns into 11. 11 minus 4 is?
Doesn't that turn into 10?
No, it's a 1. If it was a 0, then it would turn into 10. But it's a 1, so it's 11.
Okay.
11 minus 4 is?
7.
Okay, and we turn this into a 3, which is nothing. So it's 7. Now this one. Kind of looks
That's
hard.
hard.
Yeah, it looks hard, but once you get the hang of it, it's not. Okay, so 17 minus 9, but we'll do that later because this one also has nice.
Okay.
This one
15.
turns into 15 instead of 16. And this one turns into 5. Okay, 17 minus 9.
8.
Good job. And 15 minus 8.
7.
Good job. And 5 minus 3.
2.
Good job. My answer is 278. Okay, 2 minus 3.
We can't do that.
Yeah, so it turns into a 12, right? And this turns into a 5. Okay. 12 minus 3?
10, 8.
It's a 9. Okay, 5 minus 5 is?
0.
Good job. And it's a 2. And we're done. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.